For more than 20 years, Transys Projects has earned its reputation as a first-class supplier of bespoke solutions to the rail industry.
We understand the railway vehicle really from start to finish. We understand it from building it from scratch, right the way through now to refurbishment and improvement and technical upgrade. Those skills are throughout the business, they're embedded in the business.
This meant Transys Projects was well placed to take on this complex project for Southeastern, to refresh and upgrade its entire fleet of Class 375 and 376, and to install a new CCTV system.
The whole project was going to take us over a year to complete, and the important part of it was to get the railway vehicles back into passenger service as quickly as possible. So we focused our attention on how we would productionise the process.
Much of the assembly work was done away from Ramsgate Rail Depot, where the site team was based. This ensured constant levels of quality and minimised disruption to the operations.
For the refit process, we have 2 production lines running in parallel, with each of the 2 production lines with a 1-day offset between them, so that any one day of the week there is a unit coming in and leaving the production facility.
We are able to get a steady drumbeat going and manage that process very efficiently indeed. So one of our core skills as a business is really the way our site teams work very, very efficiently.
It arrives in at 6 o'clock in the morning. We have it till 6 o'clock in the night. All the CCTV camera cables are put in.
You ready, Steve?
The roofs go back in. All the cables go to the cameras. There all the domes are fitted, and we do the point-to-point and measuring testing.
As part of the refresh of Class 375, 112 trains were deep cleaned. A team of 10 cleaners worked for 100 hours per unit.
All the carpet people come in on the night, they clean all the carpets in a 12-hour shift, and also in that first day the cushions are taken out and recovered. On the second day the cushions come back in, put into the seats. We have graffiti on the walls which we try to remove. Also, we remove the gum from the carpets. On one coach we had 800 pieces of gum to remove. Obviously the first class area has got the same cleaning of the paintwork and the luggage stacks on the roof. Also all the seat covers, bases, armrests and backs have been removed, and brand new moulded headrests, backs and bases have been fitted.
New CCTV systems were installed throughout the Class 375, including in the first class areas, and also in 36 Class 376 units, which took just 24 hours.
We replace all of the wiring, including inter-vehicle connections, jumpers. We fit all new CCTV components, connect that up to the vehicle, including the MyTrack vehicle control system, and fully test the system before releasing the vehicle.
We take confidence in this recent experience with Transys. We've both been able to recognise each other's strengths in areas where we may each have weaknesses. We've been able to exploit those strengths and build upon them, and that result is the 2 working together has come up with a much superior solution.
We've been really very fortunate to have a team of people that have worked so closely together. Not just the Transys people, the engineers, the fitters, the project management and logistics people, but also the relationship with the train operating company has been extremely close.
We've had a good team of lads on the job, we've had a good rapport with the depot and the management, and it's been great.
As long as everybody's got the same objectives and the same passion to complete on time and do a good job, then it really works very well.
This is the end. It's now ready to hand back to LSER. They'll come and check the work that we've done, and then the train is ready to go.
I think this gives us a very, very strong position in the marketplace, and people look to Transys as being very reliable, capable of being adaptable, and to be able to produce a solution for the customer which delights him. At least I hope it delights him.